Hello guys, I'm in my pajama and where's my... Oh, there you go. This box, it's in my dog. That's my dog. Inside the box, that's my dog. It's rain! I mean, it's not rain. Tapos ng ulan, it's done raining. Why did you ghost me? You said you loved me. Those lovely promises were fake or what? Na. Dad, where are you? Oh no, he left me. I'm alone. Let's go inside. Maybe he's there. Look around. He's not here. Where is he? He left me for nothing. Maybe he's finding a spot where we can... Oh, there he is. Maybe he's finding a spot where we can bury our dog. This is the last time we buried our dog. This spot. Okay, we're finding a spot. Over here. My dad said over here. Over here. Started raining. Let me just sit. And let's make OC. Okay, I just... Oh. Okay, let me just take back. Where?
Ano dyan?
Dear?
Tapos si Koy, tsaka si Melo.
Right. This is where Nana's sister, and this is I don't know. I still know where Nana I still know that Oreo's buried here. Bye guys, see you in part